In this video, I will show you some of the best ways to set up Microsoft Outlook to receive automatic email notification. First, let's make sure Outlook is checking for new email automatically. For this, go to Outlook option window, click on Advanced, scroll down to the Send and Receive section, click the Send Receive button. Here, make sure the box is checked for casual and automatic send receive every and set it to 1 minute. This ensures Outlook will check for new email and notify you every minute. In visual notification, sometimes we might miss a notification because we are not right in front of the computer. There are a couple of settings to help with this. The envelope icon is especially helpful because it stays on the taskbar to remind you on the unread messages. For this setup, in the Outlook option window, go to the Mail tab, scroll down to the Message Arrival section. Here, you can choose how Outlook behaves when a message arrives. You will see options like play sound, display desktop alert, and show an envelope icon in the taskbar. I recommended checking all of this to ensure you are alerted in multiple ways. Now the best and important part to set up Outlook with startup of Windows. This is one of the most important steps because Outlook can only check for new email and send notification if it's running. To solve this, is the Windows key on your keyboard. Scroll down the app list and find the Outlook icon. Right click on the icon and select more. Then open file location. This will take you to the folder where the Outlook shortcut is saved. Copy Outlook shortcut key. Next, go to the Windows search bar and type Shell Startup. This will open your computer's startup folder. Paste the Outlook shortcut into this folder. Now Outlook will automatically open every time you start your computer. You just need to minimize the window and it will run in the background, ensuring you never miss notification again.